Hello, everyone. So, welcome back to our tax podcast, which is concentrating in Dubai taxation. And again, we have Justin here from ABS Tax Consultancy to help us understand more and more about the UAE taxation and how to be compliant so that we don't get crazy penalties. All right. So, I have a very good question for you.
Mm-hmm.
I have prepared a lot of questions for you this time.
Really?
Yeah. You can see me with the paper and the pen. Not like last time, yeah?
All right.
So I'm more prepared this time.
Mm-hmm.
So I have few things to ask you. Everyone is coming to Dubai for doing business.
Yes.
And it's a very catchy term to say, Habibi, come to Dubai, right?
Yeah, true.
These days, I would say Dubai is one of the best places
Yes,
to do business.
you're right.
But they come to Dubai because they think that there is no tax in Dubai.
Yeah,
And
you're
more
right.
exactly right, right?
Yeah.
Like, for example, everyone comes to Dubai
Mm.
saying that there is no tax in Dubai.
Yes.
For an extent, they don't understand. Yes, there is no tax for persons or individuals, but there is tax for the companies, yeah?
Exactly.
And most importantly, you said last time, there is 300% increase in tax audits.
Exactly.
It's
Yeah.
a very big number, yeah?
True.
Like, considering the volume and everything,
Yeah.
it's definitely going to be a big number,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And mostly everyone is coming from different parts of the world to Dubai thinking that there is no tax. And then maybe after 1 year, they're getting a message, hey, you got this penalty, 10,000 dirhams penalty, 20,000 dirhams penalty because you didn't pay your tax on time.
Yeah.
So, and then you said there's a lot of tax audits as well. So I want to give the people, like my audience, the right information that what's happening in the market. How many clients do you serve? And how many of your clients have got this tax audits? And what's the impact if a tax audit happens?
Okay. Fine. Exactly as you said. Mostly people who comes to Dubai for business, they're not prepared for encountering with the taxation.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So yes, your question. We are serving more than 12,000 customers.
12,000 clients.
Yeah, in various industries in different sizes.
Your firm is serving 12,000 clients.
Exactly. So we have that amount of experience. As you said, from my clientele,
Okay.
there are many customers who received tax assessment notification. There are many.
Okay.
And I've seen a lot of
Tax assessment notification.
notifications.
Oh, what's that?
So, which means you can say there are inspections, tax assessment,
Okay.
then tax audit.
Okay.
The various actions that's been measures being taken by the tax authority. So there are many of our clients who receive tax assessment mail from authority. So they ask for some details and sometimes they have some questions to clarify. So I've seen a lot of customers who receive such mails from authority.
Okay.
And also I've seen a lot of our customers had the inspection. Okay. And from that, many got penalties and few of them have failed in the audit as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So the impact is from the FTA's perspective, they have made 348 million in terms of tax revenue.
348 million.
Yeah.
In terms of tax audits.
Yeah. They have avoided the tax evasion.
Okay.
They have acquired the revenue which is supposed to come to the authority. So that much is the impact of their measures, their actions towards increasing their efficiency. Right? So that same we can see reflected in our clientele as well. Comparing to previous years, the amount of queries we had regarding the tax assessment, the inspection, penalty, waiver, reconsideration, tax dispute, all these things were tremendously high.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So you have to be careful.
Of course.
You have to be compliant.
Yes.
And make sure that your books are clean. 348 million dirhams is a very big number.
Yes.
So make sure that you don't pay any single dirham as penalty. That's only possible if you keep your books clean.
Yeah.
And now you know whom to contact. Justin, right?
Yeah.
So just get in touch with them in case you're running a business
Right.
in Dubai. All right. So you have said this 348 million dirhams.
Yeah.
And also 300 10% increase in the tax audits.
Yes.
And you are serving 12,000 clients, yeah?
Exactly.
Okay. And I'm very sure it's increasing.
Yes, of course.
Okay. So you said there's like 12,000 clients and there's many audits and everything. Whom do you think is getting this tax audits mostly? Like, is it big clients or small retail clients or small businesses like nurseries, saloons, like laundries, restaurants, groceries, supermarkets? Or is it like the giants, like big clients, corporates, or banks, or hypermarkets, or trade-in companies, or car showrooms? Is it only for small business, or is it for the corporates as well, or is it like mix?
That's a very good question. See, the tax authority is enhancing the efficiency of their tax system.
Okay.
And they are marching towards, or they're putting a lot of effort to minimize the tax evasion. So it is not just focused on any industry or any, there is nothing to do with the size of the business.
Okay.
So you
Nothing to do with I'm rich, I'm poor, I'm middle class.
Yeah. See,
low is low for everyone.
See, yeah.
That's what you mean?
I mean, see, the authority is enforcing the law. So you know that from 2017, 18, 20, the law keep on implementing.
Right.
Yeah, it was VAT, then AML, UBO, thereafter the corporate tax. So one after another, the laws implemented. So the authority was in the mode of implementation.
Okay.
So now they're enforcing the law, making sure the things are in place. Okay. So that is why they are aiming to increase the efficiency in the tax system and the effort to minimize the tax evasion. So they want to make sure that everyone obey, everyone comply with the regulation. That is the aim.
So it's for everyone.
It's for everyone.
Okay. So it's not like corporates, middle, SMEs or micro business.
Of course, there will be prioritization. That too based on the vulnerability, I would say, rather than just in terms of size or turnover.
Revenue.
Definitely, because they have the specific system to identify the pattern and the sectors to understand where it's vulnerable. So they will definitely giving the priority in that terms, other than just a random pickup.
Yeah. Got you. So that's how it is.
Exactly.
In your expertise or in your experience, where do the small businesses or where do this SMEs struggle to comply, or where do they fail, and why do they fail?
See, from my experience, there are 4 areas.
Okay.
I have observed. Most of them are weak. The number one is having no personalized accounting practice framework. The second one will be, I would say, a strong tax compliance framework.
Okay.
The third one will be, say, poor documentation, fragmented documentation. The fourth one is lack of knowledge, lack of awareness. These are the 4 areas I have seen.
I understood the last 2 terms.
Okay.
What you said.
All right.
But I clearly didn't understand
Yeah.
what you meant by accounting practice framework.
The frameworks, right?
And second one, what you said, tax
compliance framework.
Compliance framework. What do you mean by that?
So when I say accounting practice framework, they're very simple. Sometimes you feel it is very silly. Okay. Because it is set of healthy practices.
Okay.
Only thing you have to make sure that is there in place. For example, let's say a foundation of your accounts, like a proper chart of accounts, a neat hygiene.
Okay.
Okay. Second thing we can say a monthly closing. Very simple. Okay. But if it is not there in your practice, regular habit on time, it will end up in trouble.
True.
Right?
True.
Then you need to have a, let's say, term is big, but very simple thing. A transaction process protocol.
Okay.
How, when, who will do the transaction. Simple. Okay. Then we can say a compliance assurance mechanism. Let's say you have a accounting software. Make sure that when I say that mechanism, assurance mechanism, so you make sure that an invoice can be raised only if you select the right tax code. Or let's say you can only raise a B2B invoice when there is TRN saved. Okay. And in other terms, I can say you have a system upgradation on time and you have a training program in place. So these are the things, it assures an assuring mechanism of every business should have in place. Because, in UAE, the taxation is new. Every year, you can see that something new is coming up. And lot of updations, changes, decisions, public clarifications are coming up. So you need to make sure that you have a proper system in place so that you can compare what I have, what I need to be, or what else I need to do. So you have something in place, right? So that is what that's what I say. It's a set of healthy habits that is in place.
So perfect. I get it now. So that's what you meant by accounting practice framework.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
So what do you mean by tax compliance framework then?
Yeah. When it comes to tax compliance framework, I would say the law in UAE simple.
Yeah.
But for each company, they have to have a specific law is applicable for that business.
Yeah.
So I will explain with an example.
Okay.
Let's take a trading company, a mainland trading company who has domestic and international, outside UAE supply.
All right.
Okay. So what is their crucial areas? Place of supply.
Yeah.
Date of supply.
Yeah.
Export, supporting documents. So they have to focus on the law on that area. Right?
Yeah.
Let's take same trading, but a free zone company where they do the trading within free zone as well as outside free zone. Outside UAE. What is more crucial for them is qualifying free zone person. What are the law regulations? It is relevant to them. Okay. And again, the export, all these things are there. But
so I think I got this point that in tax compliance framework, tax and how to deal with your business nature is the main thing in place or in question. Right?
Yes.
So it's all about having the right treatment for your tax and for your business nature. How to treat the tax.
Yes.
Right? And when it comes to accounting practice framework, it's all about having proper kind of accounts in place, having proper chart of accounts, and then defining the roles of each and every person in the accounts.
Exactly.
So that who will do what, so that your accounts are proper. Right? So then I have the third question for you. What do you like? You said there are 4 challenges.
Yes. Yeah.
And then you said the other main problem, what the SMEs, right? Like we are talking about the SMEs.
Yep.
Or the business in UAE.
Yeah.
Struggle with is that they don't have proper documentation.
Yeah.
Or it's all about like fragmented documentation.
Exactly.
What do you mean by fragmented documentation?
Okay, that is really interesting. So most of the time what happens, this is encountered mostly at the time of addressing an audit.
Okay.
So most of the time, people have this. Business have the data, but in different location and different form. For example, some documents in the hard copy, and some of them in the different folder or in a PDF scanned or in a multiple system like CRM has something, invoicing software has some, and the accounting software has got some details and bank statements. But if you ask, the data is there, but having it all in together or making sure the traceability and accessibility. So that is what making challenging. Apart from that, see, in UAE, you can see a lot of a single person has multiple companies. And many times I have seen people ignored the internal documentation requirements. Like an employee is from one company or visa, okay, is working for another company.
Okay.
But the legal entity type are different. So the requirement for the contracts or the vehicle used, property used, and the internal transactions happening, the contracts requirements. So they don't really realize or they fail to maintain proper documentation.
Okay.
Right? So sometimes it is lack of knowledge, lack of awareness. So these are the things make the poor documentation. So what I recommend is that you have a standardized documentation and proper agreement, contract, and transactions to be recorded properly and maintain the data. Right?
So that's what you mean by fragmented documentation.
Fragmented and poor documentation.
So then it comes to my fourth point, what you highlighted.
Okay.
What do you mean by lack of knowledge? I know for a fact that some persons running business here, doesn't know all about tax, right? Like, for example, if you ask me anything which is happening with, like taxation in Qatar, I don't know.
True.
So imagine, like, I'm going tomorrow to Qatar and starting up a business there. It's going to be very difficult for me. So I definitely have a lack of knowledge. My question is not like, what is lack of knowledge? But most importantly, it's all about like how SMEs can gain knowledge.
Okay.
Because like they don't have knowledge. And definitely they cannot afford, like an expert in tax, just to manage their works. So what is the best way by which they can cover up this point of having, no proper knowledge?
Yes.
In taxation, I mean.
So when you ask me about the lack of knowledge, the awareness, from my experience, I have seen two different things. The first instance, the professional, the person who is handling the taxation accounts, he is totally ignorant. He didn't know what he supposed to know. Not aware at all.
Okay.
So that no chance of correction because he didn't know that he has made mistake.
Got it.
So the mistake repeats.
That's a very dangerous situation.
Dangerous situation. In taxation, let's say you make a wrong invoice. The customer will repeat.
Correct.
The end transaction will repeat multiple times. Maybe you'll realize years after. Right?
Got it.
So per invoice, you can get 2,500 penalty.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. So that is the consequence of this.
Okay.
In other instance, I would say professionals, qualified people, professional accountant, qualified people, they have system, software, everything in place. But they're too busy to learn the new things.
Okay.
Even if they're aware, it takes time for them to enforce it, put it into practice or to place. So what happens? They delay. It's not working on time. Penalties. Right? And sometimes they completely miss it. The new updates. It's too busy. That's true. So, yeah.
So I got it.
Yeah.
Habibi, come to Dubai and do business if you're ready to implement these 4 things in your business.
Yeah.
One thing is accounting practice framework, yeah?
Yeah. Personalized.
See, I'm learning from you.
Yeah,
But
good.
personalized accounting practice
Yes.
framework.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then the second one is like tax compliance framework,
Exactly.
right? And make sure that you have proper documentation in place.
Perfect.
And no fragmented documentation.
Perfect.
And most importantly, you need to know what you needs to know. Right?
Exactly.
And you should not be ignorant to law. You should have proper knowledge about the law and make sure that your business is compliant with the UAE taxation regulations. Yeah.
I have an addition. In addition to that, I would say every business should have a consultant, professional consultant.
Oh, okay. Like you.
Of course. Why? Because, see, from 2017 onwards, the regulations are keep on implemented one after another. So, we say the accountants are really loaded.
Okay.
They are into the game. And they are limited to their nature of businesses.
Okay.
And they are limited to their day-to-day activities. So, where there is a role of a consultant who has exposure with the various industries and all new updates. So having a professional consultant or a guidance of a professional consultant will always keep you up to date. Supervision will definitely keep you
up to date.
Assured
that there's no problem. And also the consultant is looking from a different perspective.
Exactly.
Not from the inside perspective. And also he has exposure to different businesses.
Perfect.
So guys, you know whom to hire now. Get in touch with Justin if you're setting up a business or if you have a business in Dubai. And, if you're a Habibi already in Dubai, you know whom to contact. All right. Or which company to contact. And stay tuned. We are going to come up with new other topics, which would be very useful for you. And for now, it's a goodbye from both of us. Bye-bye.